The financial revolution started on November 5th, 2024, the day that sent shockwaves through the financial world. Donald Trump is setting the stage, paving the way for the US to embrace the shift with plans that could reshape the global financial landscape. The momentum is undeniable. This isn't speculation, this is happening right now. This could be the foundational moment of a colossal bull run, unlike anything we've ever seen before. But is this bull run and mass adoption here to stay, or will it eventually fizzle out? Well, here's what the next 5 years will look like for DeFi. In just 5 years, DeFi is projected to almost double its market size. Check out this graph on screen right now. And this isn't just speculation. There are many reasons for this. Reports from Business Insider and Bloomberg highlight that incredible institutional adoption is already underway, with major players like BlackRock, JP Morgan, and Fidelity pouring billions into decentralized financial technologies already. We'll show you the exact plays in the market in just a few moments. When you compare DeFi to the traditional financial system, it seems like an easy pick. With DeFi, you unlock way faster transactions. While banks take days to process loans or cross-border payments, DeFi protocols handle them in seconds, 24/7. Instead of waiting 3 days for your bank to approve a $10,000 loan, you could potentially access it instantly on a DeFi platform at a fraction of the cost. Which brings me to my next point. The fees are a lot lower. Traditional banks rake in $200 billion annually in overdraft fees and other charges. DeFi eliminates those costs, saving users billions. And finally, it provides accessibility to everyone for banking. Sadly, according to the World Bank, 1.4 billion adults worldwide are unbanked. They don't have a bank account. DeFi bridges that gap, allowing anyone with internet access to participate. This isn't about the future, it's happening now, and the industry is growing faster than ever. So what does this mean for you? It's the difference between being stuck in a system that profits off your money and being in control of your financial future. The next 10 years, a multi-trillion-dollar opportunity. Now, that's the next 5 years. But what about the next 10 years? Will the growth still be the same? Well, let me tell you. NASDAQ made a pretty crazy prediction. So, NASDAQ, yes, the official NASDAQ, predicted that DeFi would eventually turn into a $20 trillion industry. Yes, that's trillion with a T. And in the next 10 years, we could start to see this take place, with DeFi operating 24/7 without the need for centralized banks. Here's what DeFi could unlock over the next decade. Well, first off, imagine your finances completely tailored to you, down to the smallest detail. Think of this as having a personal financial advisor, but without the hefty fees or human error. Want to hedge against inflation? DeFi platforms could automatically allocate funds to stable assets tied to the value of the US dollar or other currencies. Want to maximize returns? Well, your system will identify the highest yield liquidity pools, staking opportunities, or investment options in real time.